Are you teasing him, Daddy? Are you teasing him, Daddy?
Wants a cat.
Samantha, cranky girl. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Goodness, goodness, what's the matter? What the sneezes? She's allergic to kitties. Goodness, you guys, give her some room. Hey, hey, give her some room. Hey, over here.
They're eating her whiskers.
She must have pretty good food on her face, because
they're eating her whiskers.
Okay, Kenzie, rescue her. You guys like the kitty? Did she like being in there? I mean, you could try. Is she holding on tight?
No, she's fine.
I don't know if she likes them or not.
Well,
I guess she'll come back out to you if she don't like it again.
Nice.
What do you think of that? Oh, tired.
Alright,
Sleepy.
I'll rescue you.
Everybody loves a kitty.